solar system or something. This music is a banger though, guys.
Okay, everybody, my show is going to start. 我的表演要开始了。如果待会大家想看表演的话，地板上围一条线，大家可以帮我靠近一点，帮我稍微靠近一点。我的表演只有短短6分钟，6分钟。如果大家有喜欢的话，待会希望大家可以给我一点热情的掌声还有欢呼声。If you like my show, please make some noise. Okay? One more time, one more time. If you like my show, please make some noise, okay?
Wow! I'm getting the What? He's disappointed in us. It's like, you better move. You won't forget. Wow, he's prepared. Does it look like, is that watching a TV? Because resolution is so good. Now it's gonna use two. I kind of want to try that. Is it hard? Oh, wow. I'm pretty sure it's really hard. Wow. Looks 3D. You won't forget.
晚上好。接下来我在这边为各位带来最后的一段演出。接下来会用1、2、3颗扯铃来完成一段30的花式表演。这段表演我练了非常的久。我也希望待会大家如果看到任何喜欢的部分，大家可以不要吝啬大家的掌声还有欢呼声，好吗？Later, I'm going to use 3 of these to finish the show. If you like my show, please make some noise, okay? Yeah. 各位观众，这是我最后一段表演，我希望大家
Hey, the cheering is actually louder when he spoke English.
接下来我准备好要开始这段表演了，大家准备好了吗？
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
He said he's gonna use 3 of them to finish the thing. I think I know this song. Dang, look at him. This is the epic part. But I think he did really good. So as you guys can see, they have like he's holding that thread. That's it. And then that's not even a yo-yo. He throws it with the string and then makes it go really high up, and then with the perfect aim he grabs it. So I think it's really difficult. Yeah, it requires skills. Okay, where do I tip him? Wow!
各位观众，我是 的介绍艺人，我的名字叫做建成。刚刚那段演出是我扯铃扯了12年所生出来的一段表演。表演不长，但是我希望能够让所有看过的观众都觉得快乐，都觉得精彩。如果大家喜欢我的演出的话，前方有一个打赏箱。接下来，我想带着这一套快乐的演出到世界很多个角落，欢乐每一位观众。谢谢你们，祝福大家新年快乐，谢谢。
哇，谢谢。I think he said like Happy New Year and then please tip. I kind of want to try that yo-yo, but I don't know where I can buy that. Oh yeah! Oh my god, I have to buy shoes. Thank you. 1 year. Thank you. 谢谢 Thank you so much. 换到yeah. Thank you. Thank you. 谢谢. Okay, have a good night, everybody. I have to buy shoes. 我应该买鞋子。Yeah, but because so you know in LA and Quebec my shoes were all wet, so I had to throw it away because it stank. Over here now I'm wearing this Texas boots that I bought for a rodeo. Now this is not as bad as Kona W Texas boots. So I'm guessing that I could find one of these maybe waterproof. There are many shops. Did you know you can wash? I actually had to. I didn't have time, and then I didn't want to carry the stinky shoes with me. Texas boots in Taiwan. Oh, this is actually pretty. Buy cowboy hats. Actually, I am wearing the rodeo style, the boots, and then the jeans, and then you know. Yeah, the pizza. Look, these are actually quite expensive. 3,320 is basically $100, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, it is $100. Pizza. Yo, look, Crocs are also expensive. They're like $40. Holy shit. What is this? A slipper or like, what is this? Kangaroos? But they're good shoes. That's how the shit good, right? It is kind of normal price, I guess. One piece is 600. This is 600. Ain't no way. That's like $20. That ain't bad. Is this nice? This white? The white one is actually pretty nice. I would look hip
speak Chinese?
Like a little bit.
A little bit. Discount today.
Ah, today, only today.
Yeah. Someone has a different size.
Oh, okay.
Jinny says.
Thank you, thank you. What does this mean though? How about this? No, I probably should not buy white because it will get nasty so fast. Maybe I should get this one. This is like not bad. I don't know if I want it though. This one? Yeah, I should avoid white, collar, clothes. Stephanie, thank you for 20 months on.
Your North America streams were excellent
I
streamer
know,
of
and
the
they
year.
streams were really fun, wasn't it? I loved it. Alright, I'm gonna get this. Can I get this one? Can I get like I guess this is 2XL. Can I get just large?
Large?
Or
Inside her brother.
ah, okay. Ah,
All Taiwan design.
ah, okay. Is this also on sale? This is pretty. Yeah, I know this song. What's it down? Down, 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 down. Ah, okay, over there.
You want look around other?
Yeah. Are those also on sale or only the outside
Different
ones?
price, but you inside choose anyone have a discount.
Ah, okay, okay. Wow, look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Guys, this, oh my god, this is pretty, isn't it? I think I would look so nice in it. I would look like a very cool. Oh my god, 이거는 how much is this? Oh, same as yours. Okay. How much is this one?
2,900.
Ah,
You
okay.
inside any choose one. Outside jacket will be 300.
Oh. I could try, but it's expensive. Actually, it's not that bad. Actually. Okay.
This one model same.
Oh, the model. Okay, okay.
You?
Yeah, that's me.
Very good.
Thank you. Maybe I could try. Should I try, guys? Ooh, it is pretty, actually. Should I get this one? Okay.
Want to try?
Yeah. Oh, thank you, thank you.
And this one has a different size. Inside have a pocket.
Ah, thank you. Look at this.
It's waterproof.
Oh, waterproof. Yeah, that's necessary. Look at this, guys. Check me out. Do I look nice? It's actually quite expensive. This is 2,000 something, which is like 60 something dollar, but I think it's a reasonable price actually. 衣服漂亮. What do you think? It's a little big. I think I can. They said they have different size though. Smaller one? No, the same firework proof. 2,000 or something is like 600. No, 60 something dollars. In the US, it would be like this quality. I think it would be $100, $200 or something. Can I get like small of this? Have a small? Okay.
Oh, this is smaller.
Oh, this is small?
Oversized.
Ah, okay, okay. How much is it again? It's
This one 2,800.
2,900.
But if you buy this one, outside jacket will be 300. So together, 2 piece.
Ah, 2 piece 3,280.
Yeah.
Actually, not bad.
You can try again.
Without. Go to kids store. Hey, this is supposed to be oversized, okay? Yeah, sure. It's supposed to be oversized. Should I get that or this one? Handsome? I just want, but I don't really want to carry that much, so I'll just get one jacket. It's either this. Can I try the other one? Can I try the other one?
Outside?
Yeah. Is it warm? I think so.
This jacket is all for you? Or...
Just for me, yeah. I just want to get one. I'm not really sure which one. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is big too. Okay.
Oversized.
Oh. Okay, this is the second one. Oh, okay. How much is this?
1680.
Oh, 1680. Okay.
Taiwan design.
I'll also try this one.
We can help you.
Oh, thank you.